G'day there, pretty keen to get back on the job with these tools here. Get out of my smart clothes at home. I'm not sure why I'm wearing them at home, but I'm pretty keen to get dirty again, back in my overalls and get these things going. So if you're an earthquake damaged property owner, stay tuned, we've got a special offer for you. Hi, my name's Rob Collier from We Buy Homes. Firstly, I hope your friends and family are safe and well during this unprecedented time. Okay, so you've got an earthquake damaged property, you're ready to move on with your life. I know exactly what it's like. Well, I'm not quite there yet. I'm not quite ready to move on with my life. I've got an earthquake damaged property, been fighting EQC for years, and I'm not quite there. I'm getting there, but I'm looking forward to the day that I am. But if you've got past that threshold, you've got to the point where you're ready to move on, then you need to get in touch with us. So what do we offer? We offer no fees, so if you take it to market, for example, you're going to pay real estate fees and commissions. We offer flexible settlement and possession, so we can settle really quickly if you've got another place to go to, or we can give you up to 12 months to find another property. We really want to make it work for you. We want to make the whole process easy and stress-free as possible for you. We also offer $3,000 towards your moving and solicitor fees. And we've also got a free guide, a free booklet called the Selling, Buying and Moving Checklist that you can go through, that gives you a real step-by-step guide as to navigate your way through this process. So it's nice and simple and easy and straightforward, and to make sure you don't forget anything. So if you're ready to move on with your life, we offer an obligation-free assessment. So get in touch with us by clicking on the link below, or call us on 0800 payout, and we'll be in touch with you very soon.